Alright guys, here's the 06 Coiler, and this is basically my first ride. I just had a little test ride last night just after building, but just down the road and back up. Like, it's actually my first my first real ride on a full suspension bike. I have done a little bit. I've had a couple of days on my Giant Glory, but literally probably 3-4 days total, I'm gonna say. So it's not my first ride on a dually, but I built this up to be my my day, like my main trail bike. So it's going to become my main rider. So from that perspective, I've never really had a dually as a main ride. Here we go. Oh, and so that's why, it's just I just don't have much experience at riding dual suspension bikes. So it's kind of new. My entire riding style has been adapted from riding hardtails, and so it's all a bit weird. And when I have ridden dualies, because of that reason, I've had a few echo. I had one in particular, pretty bad echo, where I just gone over this is always tricky, this little bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, gone over the bars from getting bucked off the back shock. So now they leveled that jump a little while ago. It's unfortunate. Not that I could actually hit it anyway, but yeah, it's I just wanted to try that little downhill run there. Good doggy. Yeah, but I'm liking this Coiler. It's good, and it's size large, because my Giant Glory is an M, so it's always, the only times when I've ridden it, it's felt a little bit small. I don't mind it, but I'm definitely an L. I'm in between M and XL, but I'm really an L size rider. So riding an M, especially on a sort of slackish long travel, it feels a bit weird. It's just good though. Yeah, so because of that back end stuff, I do want to take it a bit easy on this thing. I want to kind of get used to and also dial that rear shock in a little, maybe get used to that rebound effect. Because it's definitely a new thing for me, that you feel yourself get kind of bucked back up a bit. Now, I don't think I'm going to go down this one. I did it on the fat bike recently, but I mean, I could do it, but I don't think I'm going to. It's really not that bad, that one. It was easier than I got quite worked up about that last time. But I just gotta, it's a bit of a hard thing to explain, but obviously a dually makes steep and janky stuff easier, but yeah, I'm so used to riding a hardtail, and that feeling when you kind of going down steep janky sections where the back just kind of skids like sort of skips along and then drops, and zero kickback. Whereas with the, obviously with the dually, you do get that. You compress, but you do get that kickback, and it's not something I want to really like deal with greatly. Oh, it's so humid today. It's hot and humid as. The other thing with the dually is it's getting the seat position right, because I feel like you don't need to put your seat down as much as with the hardtail, because you know your back does compress, but at the same time, if it's up too high, it's gonna exacerbate that feeling of getting pitched. But so far, all in all, like the drivetrain and that feels great. Everything feels good. I like this. Oh, this is it's challenging. Oh, it's really loose. It's pretty steep and loose. Hard to hold the right angle. And the other thing, oh man, oh jeez, oh god, oh. Oh mate. Now, no, I'm dead. Okay. No. Because normally I ride up here, but I'm dead. Bloody hell. I was recovering from COVID a couple of weeks ago, but just my body's wrecked severely from that COVID. Oh my god, like I just got no energy, no clarity of thought, but really, especially I got no like lung capacity. It's diabolical, really bad. Oh man, now that I think of it, I haven't actually really had a ride at all since I got it, so no, nothing, just like really short little ride down the hill just to test out the bike and things, but no, oh, that's bad. Like oh my god.